నో మీ ఇప్పుడే మీకు మైక్ ఇవ్వను నేను ఒక్క నిమిషం. కానీ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఫార్మోస్ట్ మీరు ఈ షో సింపుల్ టెక్నిక్ ఉంది.
డెలివరీ బాయ్
ఇందులో మీరు రిపీట్ అన్న యాప్లో మీరు ట్యాప్ చేస్తే ట్రైలర్ కూడా డెలివరీ వస్తుంది. ఒకసారి ఆర్డర్ చేశారా?
ఆర్డర్ చేశారు.
అయితే మీ ఆర్డర్ వస్తుంది, అంతవరకు మీరు చూడండి. అంటే ఈ టైంలో లోగో చాలా మీరు చూస్తుండండి.
Thank you Hemant garu, as efficient as always.
ఓకే, సో డెలివరీ అన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ డెలివరీ బాయ్ తీసుకొచ్చాడు అనమాట. రిపీట్ నుంచి డెలివరీ వచ్చేసింది. ఏంటది? ఓ ట్రైలర్ లాంచ్ చేయాలంటే ఇందులో ఉన్న డివైస్లో. ఆహాహాహా, బాగుందమ్మా, బాగుంది.
ట్రైలర్ లాంచ్ ప్లీజ్.
జూలై 16th నుంచి ఆహాలో ప్రీమియర్ అవబోతుంది కుడి ఎడమ అయితే. హార్టీ వెల్కమ్ టు అమలా పాల్, ఆల్వేస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. ఒక్కసారి మీ లైఫ్లో వెనక్కి తిరిగి ఏదైనా మారిస్తే బాగుంటుంది అనిపించేది ఏదైనా ఉందా? అఫ్ కోర్స్ అలా మొదలైందిలో హేమంత్ని తీసి వేరే ఎవరైనా పెట్టుకుంటే బాగుండేదని అనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ అది కాకుండా
యాక్చువల్గా నేను ఇండియాకి ఐ వాజ్ ఇన్ ద యుఎస్. ఇక్కడ కోవిడ్ నా వెనకాల అలా వస్తుంది. అంటే నేను ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తున్నానో అక్కడంతా లాక్డౌన్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇండియాకి ఐ రీచ్డ్ ఆన్ March 24th, ఇక్కడ లాక్డౌన్ అయింది. సో అక్కడ ఆ టైంకి ఇండియాకి రాకుండా ఏ హవాయికో ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోతే ఆ టైంకి అక్కడ ఉండేదాన్ని కదా.
మంచి హాలిడే ఎంజాయ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు కదా. అఫ్ కోర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా అలానే అనిపిస్తుంది. సో కుడి ఎడమ అయితే గురించి పెంచింది, యువర్ బెస్ట్ విషెస్ ప్లీజ్.
సో మై జర్నీ విత్ కుడి ఎడమైతే స్టార్టెడ్ at Aha's office and చాలా స్క్రిప్ట్స్ చదువుతున్నాం అప్పుడు. అండ్ రామ్ విఘ్నేష్ గారి స్క్రిప్ట్ కేమ్ అండ్ ఐ రిమెంబర్ ఐ వాజ్ కంప్లీట్లీ బ్లోన్ అవే. ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్ విన్న వెంటనే ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ వాజ్ ది ఓన్లీ స్క్రిప్ట్. అంటే నాకు ఒక్కటి కూడా ఒక చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ కానీ ఒక మిస్టేక్ కానీ ఇది మార్చాలని ఏమీ అనిపించలేదు. ఒక కంప్లీట్ ఒక వన్ రీడింగ్ తర్వాత ఇమ్మీడియట్గా గ్రీన్ లైట్ చేసిన స్క్రిప్ట్. అండ్ ఐ రిమెంబర్ టెలింగ్ అరవింద్ గారు అండ్ అజిత్, this is going to be a very special story. We should really mount this well. Right actor, right director తోటి రావాలి అని చెప్పి. సో అక్కడి నుంచి కార్తిక్ ఉన్నాడు, నేనున్నాను. సో దీన్ని అలా కాపాడుకుంటూ వచ్చాం ఈ కథని. అండ్ ఐ థాట్ మై ఫ్రెండ్ పవన్ వుడ్ బీ టెరిఫిక్ డైరెక్టర్ ఫర్ ఇట్. పవన్, యాజ్ యు నో, మన దేశంలోనే వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ డైరెక్టర్స్ టు మేక్ cutting edge thrillers. He's got a huge fan following of his own, and he's done an outstanding job with this. And Pavan chadivina ventane he got so excited. So then I knew we had a solid show, and then now all we need is the right actor for it. And then I called Amala. I told Pavan, I said I think Amala will be great for Durga. And Amala to maatladam jarigindi, and she's a actor who will put a 1000% out there. Pratidhanni she'll take it up 10 notches. So Amla, I've seen the show, so I know what you've done there. Outstanding. And I think both you and Pavan have worked so well together. And mana young hero Rahul Vijay, a very young talent, very promising talent. He's also done a phenomenal job. And the entire team, Advaita Gani, music director gar gani, chala ante you will find this technically a very, very, very sound and cutting edge film. It will keep you at the edge of your seat. Definitely మీరు 1-2 episodes అలా లోపలికి టన్నల్లోకి దూరిపోయి అక్కడి నుంచి ఇట్ విల్ బీ లైక్ అ రోలర్ కోస్టర్ ఫర్ యూ. అండ్ యూ విల్ నాట్ నో వాట్ హిట్ యూ. ఏం జరిగిందనేలో పట్టా 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 వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. సో I feel this is going to be a game changer for Telugu web series, for Aha definitely. And I'm betting my money on this show. And I think all of you will really, really enjoy it. Team చాలా కష్టపడ్డారు. చాలా ఒక కట్టింగ్ ఎడ్జ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ తీసుకురావాలని, ఒక తెలుగు వెబ్ సిరీస్కి ఒక స్టాండర్డ్ సెట్ చేయాలని, ఒక బార్ సెట్ చేయాలని చాలా కష్టపడ్డారు. అండ్ లెడ్ బై పవన్ గారు. నేను చేసిందల్లా ఒకటే, ఐ లింక్డ్ ABCD. నేను చేసింది అంతే, నిమిత్త మాత్రాలనే. నేను జస్ట్ లైక్ అ బ్రిడ్జ్, ఒక వారధిగా అందరినీ కనెక్ట్ చేశాను. అది తప్పితే నేనేం చేయలేదు ఇంకా. సో ఐ లవ్డ్ ఇట్. ఐ వాచ్ ద షో యాజ్ అ వ్యూవర్. చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ డెఫినెట్లీ షూర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎంజాయ్ దిస్ షో.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
వెల్కమ్ సార్.
Hello everyone.
నిజంగానే ఫ్రెష్ స్టార్ట్ సార్.
Thank you. So we started working music for this web series 3 to 4 months back. After a point, finishing all the 8th episode, we really, our team, me and my team, everyone felt like if we go to some places in second time, if we go to some restaurant, we felt like, are we in time loop? So we really experienced that after watching, keep on watching this. I hope every audience will experience this time loop after watching this. It's a different experience, right? We already felt it. So we hope audience also feel that. First of all, I like to thank Director Pawan Kumar sir for giving this opportunity to work with him. He's keep on trusting me from his from my first project, Lucia. It's not so easy to like understand his dynamic ideas. It's not so easy to his ideas will keep on changing for film to film. So we also grown together with him, and I'm extremely thankful to AHA and People Media for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, hi. And yeah, there's so many, I think I'll be speaking, what's the time it's 8 o'clock, and very famous people start their speeches at 8 o'clock in our country. So it's like, it's a coincidence, but it's 8. And yeah, so from today on, you will be hooked on to a time loop. Mitro. So yeah, so it's been interesting last 9 months. I think if I have to, please bear with me because it's so many names, and to start with, Nandini Reddy very easily said that I just put A to B to C, but I think about 39 years ago, if some guy hadn't put my mom and dad together, I wouldn't be here. So it's what Nandini Reddy did is a very important job of putting the right people together. And so thank you so much for that, for remembering me for the right project. And then there's of course Karthik, there's Ajit, and everybody else from AHA's team. There's Bharun, who are the few initial names that I interacted with. And I'm so happy that they brought the script to me, because at that point, to read something like this and also think that, okay, so I actually get to do this was a nice feeling. And it was also a lot of faith from AHA and everyone to let me have my entire team from Bangalore come and do it. For example, the DOP is Advaita, who shot Kannada U-Turn. Purna Chandra, the music, as he said, he's done it for Lucia, U-Turn Kannada, U-Turn Telugu, and everything that I've worked since 2012, he's been composing music. Editor Suresh was here till morning, and he just went back to Bangalore, he's fine. And he's been with me since 2008, and my direction team, there's Lakshmi, there's Dhanush, and also this new team that I found here, without whom this wouldn't have been possible. So we'll start with Srikanth, who's the co-director, and he and his entire team, Nag, Varma, and Sindhu, all these people that he put together, and you won't believe that this is 4 hours content. It's 8 episodes, 30 minutes, and sometimes a little more than 30 minutes. So it's 4+ hours content, and we shot it in 45 days. So that's been like a huge learning for us. As we were shooting, by the time I reached 35th day, I was like, are we really done? Because, we are doing features which go on for 100, 150 days, which are 2 hours long. So all these amazing teams that came together to make this happen. And of course, now the ones who are shining on the screen, Amla and Rahul and all the other actors. So when Nandini Garu suggested Amla's name, I thought, okay, can I deal with a star to do this show? And during our readings, which we did over Zoom, so I was in Bangalore, she was in Cochin, Rahul was in Hyderabad, and that's how we shot this during pandemic. So the first script reading happened on Zoom, and we were hooked on after that point. We just knew that we had cast the right people. Rahul was, I mean, I've been asking for his dates to do more films after this, and if he gives me dates, we'll do more work together. And there's Surya, huh? I can't afford. So there's Padmini here, and there's also Surya, who play amazing roles in the. So there is actually, like, while Rahul and Amla play the lead stories and the story revolves around them, I think there are easily about 15 other characters who support these stories. And Surya has done a great job. You will see him in all the episodes supporting Amla's character, and Padmini supports the other one. And eventually, I think to cut the event short, maybe I should wind up. I would, from the bottom of my heart, thank AHA for one doing this amazing show, because stories like this need to come out. There are writers out there who will be motivated to do more content like this. And I think the invisible person in this list is Mr. Ram Vignesh, without whom this wouldn't have happened, who I don't know how wrote these amazing 8 episodes. And I have met him only for like 5 minutes, and it's been a great experience to take someone's material and then direct it. This is like my first time that I'm doing it. And so without Ram Vignesh, without AHA coming together, I think 1,000 people wouldn't have been employed during pandemic. I would look at it that way, that how a platform like this during this pandemic made this, and when you see the episodes, you will see the credits roll for 2.5 minutes. So I saw that during post-production, and I kept thinking every time I saw this 2.5 minutes roll that all these people were able to make a living during the last 9 months because of AHA doing this project. So it's an amazing thing. So thank you, Ajit, and everybody involved with AHA, Arvind Garu, and all the investors. And I really hope you will do more shows like this. Thank you. Thanks.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ఫోటో తీసుకో. ఎస్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమాత్రం ఫ్యాషన్ మాల్ కీప్ లవింగ్ మోర్ అసోసియేట్ స్పాన్సర్ విజేత సూపర్ మార్కెట్ లైవ్. ఏంటా గుసగుసలు చదివేశాను. సో వివేక్ గారు మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నామండి.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. ఇది కుడి ఎడమైతేలో ప్రొడ్యూసర్ నేమ్ కూడా కుడి ఎడమైంది ఇందాక. యాక్చువల్గా నేను ప్రొడ్యూసర్ అన్నారు. నేను ప్రొడ్యూసర్ కాదు, నేను కో ప్రొడ్యూసర్ పిజి విశ్వప్రసాద్ గారు. సో ఇది ఇందాక మన పవన్ గారు అన్నట్టు పాండమిక్లో చేసిన షో ఇది. సో చాలామంది ఈ కరోనా విక్టిమ్స్ కూడా అయ్యారు, అయినా కూడా చాలా ఫైట్ చేసి ఇది కంప్లీట్ చేశారు. ఎస్పెషల్లీ మా ఎడిటర్ అయితే హాస్పిటల్లోనే ఎడిట్ చేశారు చాలా ఎపిసోడ్స్. సో పాపం ఆయన ఎడిట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ డబ్బింగ్ పంపించిన మళ్ళీ బ్లాక్ ఫంగస్ వచ్చి మళ్ళీ హాస్పిటల్లో అడ్మిట్ అయ్యారు. మళ్ళీ వచ్చి మళ్ళీ ఫైనల్ ట్రిమ్ చేసి పంపించారు. చాలా సఫర్ అయ్యారు. సో అలా చాలామంది మా టీంలో చాలామంది వాళ్ళు ఆల్మోస్ట్ ప్రాణాలు లేక చేయకుండా పనిచేసినట్టు. వాళ్ళందరికీ చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. అండ్ అమలా గారు, రాహుల్, వీళ్ళందరూ చాలా సపోర్టివ్గా ఉండి మేము అనుకున్న 45 డేస్లో, ఇందాక పవన్ గారు అన్నట్టు 45 డేస్లో కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. మా డాట్ కూడా కనెక్ట్ చేసిన నందిని గారు. ఆవిడ ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఆవిడ 4 మూవీస్లో నేను ఉన్నాను, అలాగే ఇది ఉన్నాను. సో అండ్ పవన్ గారు ఎస్పెషలీ ఈజ్ ఎ గ్రేట్ టెక్నీషియన్, నో డౌట్. ఆయన ఏదైనా చిన్న అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ చెప్పినా కూడా ఇమ్మీడియట్గా అడాప్ట్ చేసుకుని చేస్తారు. లాంగ్ లైఫ్, దీంట్లో మంచి కెరీర్ ఉంటుంది సార్. డెఫినెట్గా తెలుగులో కూడా ఇంకా చాలా చేయాలి మనం. సో అలాగే ఆహా టీం, అజిత్ గారు ఆయన పని రాక్షసుడు. ఆయన నైట్ 11 o'clock కూడా ఫోన్ తీసి ఆయన మొత్తం కోఆర్డినేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. కార్తిక్ గారు, ఇంకా మిగతా రాజ్ గారు, వీళ్ళందరూ. సో ఎడ్వర్డ్ అండ్ మా టీం నుంచి కూడా ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ దివ్య, మా శశి గారు, వీళ్ళందరూ చాలా మంచి వర్క్ చేశారు. సో ఫైనల్లీ అవుట్పుట్ నిజంగానే తెలుగులో ఒక మంచి సిరీస్, ఇది చాలా మంచి సిరీస్. సో వీఆర్ హోపింగ్ ఫర్ ద బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు థ్యాంక్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ విశ్వప్రసాద్ గారు అండ్ పీపుల్ మీడియా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
వాళ్ళందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ హియర్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కుడి ఎడమైతే, ఆహా ఒరిజినల్, పీపుల్ మీడియా ఫ్యాక్టరీ అండ్ పవన్ కుమార్ ఫిల్మ్స్ ప్రొడక్షన్. Genuinely, like there are very few important person that I have to first of all thank. Number one, Nandini garu. If ఆవిడ కానీ లేరంటే ఈరోజు ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చేది కాదు హానెస్ట్లీ. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మ్యామ్, ఇలాంటి ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ని పిక్ చేసి ఆడియన్స్ ముందుకి తీసుకొస్తున్నందుకు. అండ్ ఆహా ఈ ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ రావడం గురించి చాలామంది లైక్ దే హ్యావ్ గాట్ దేర్ ఓన్ ఒపీనియన్స్, బట్ పర్సనలీ ఫర్ మీ నాకేంటంటే నాలాంటి ఒక అప్కమింగ్ యాక్టర్కి ఇలాంటి ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ దొరికితే ఒక టాలెంట్ని చూపించుకునేదానికి ఇంతకంటే ఒక బెస్ట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అన్నది ఒకటి దొరకదు. సో ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు థ్యాంక్ అజిత్ గారు అండ్ అల్లు అరవింద్ గారు ఫర్ సెట్టింగ్ అప్ దిస్ థింగ్ కాల్డ్ ఆహా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ టేకింగ్ అ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లైక్ దిస్ కుడియడం అయితే అన్నది ఇట్స్ ఆన్ టైమ్ లూప్, ఇప్పటికే మీకు అర్థమైపోయి ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు ఒరిజినల్ ఇప్పటి వరకు టైం లూప్ మీద ఇలా కంటెంట్ అన్నది రావడం బయటికి, అండ్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు బీ ఏ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. అండ్ పవన్ గారు, like during my college days I was a very big fan of his work, Lucia. అప్పటి నుంచి ఇలాంటి డైరెక్టర్స్తో వర్క్ చేయాలనుకున్నాను ఫ్యూచర్లో. బట్ దెన్ 4 years down the line I just received a call from him saying that I want you to do this role called Adi అని చెప్పేసి. సో ఐ థాట్ ద డ్రీమ్స్, ఏదైతే డ్రీమ్స్ మనం అనుకుంటామో అవి ట్రూ అవుతాయి అని చెప్పేసి. అండ్ ఐ జస్ట్ హ్యాడ్ అ blast shooting for this project. And Amla garu, it was a pleasure working with her as an actor. Like manakante konni films చాలా ఇయర్స్గా ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళతో వర్క్ చేస్తే there is so much to learn, and I have learned a lot as an actor. And this series Kudiyadam aithe has helped me to grow as an actor, as an individual also. And the team, technicians, everyone, ఇఫ్ వాళ్ళు కానీ లేరంటే హానెస్ట్లీ స్పీకింగ్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇంత త్వరగా అయ్యేది కాదు. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ దట్స్ ఆల్. ఐ థింక్ ఐ జస్ట్ వైండ్ అప్. ప్లీజ్ డూ వాచ్ దిస్ సిరీస్ ఆన్ July 16th. అండ్ వచ్చిన మీడియా వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Andarki namaskaram. Good evening, everyone. It feels so nice to never thought, we would be able to have these kind of functions again. It feels nice to be back in one of those on the stage. I feel very, very grateful to be a part of this wonderful project. This is truly a blessing because as an actor, this is what gives me a lot of meaning and sense and purpose to what I do. And when I can be a part of such projects and such brilliant team, it gives me a lot of joy. I would like to start with thanking Nandini, the one who brought this project to me. I was last year I was doing an Ayurveda Panchakarma in a nice retreat, enjoying my rejuvenation, and Nandini called me and she said that there is this very interesting project, and so she was giving me a brief of the story. It's about time loop, and my role is that I'll be playing a cop, and she also said that this cop is also an alcoholic. And I'm like, wow, Nandini, tell me more about it. So she's somebody who understands my psyche, I think, more than me. So thank you, Nandini, for this wonderful opportunity. And I think ever since I watched the movie Lucia, I always have been a big fan of Pawan. I remember thinking when I saw Lucia, wow, it'd be nice to work with a director like, someone who created this film. And then I saw U-Turn, so I've been following his work, and it was like a dream come true to work with Pawan. And I think I kind of tend to, sort of over-prepare always. And this movie, I think this is the movie where I was least prepared, and I could like really explore a different side to my work. And I think that freedom was, I took that freedom because of, I was working with a director like Pawan. The first day itself, I was like very, very confident, and I was involved. There was so much new perspectives to the scenes, the way he was, choreographing. But yeah, he never gives any compliments. That was the most, I was clueless because I was so used to getting feedbacks, forget compliments, at least feedbacks. And the first day went, second day went, third day went, and fourth day I started like fishing, and I'm like, you can't do this. And then I started observing. So Pawan is like this, if I've done you can watch Pawan's face when he's watching the monitor. If he has a complete expressionless face, then that means I've done a good job. So, so yeah, this is like a tip to all the actors who are gonna work with Pawan in the future. All you have to do is just watch Pawan's face, and if it's like emotionless, expressionless, then good job. So, well, yeah, it was like a brilliant team, Advaita, and thanks to all the ADs, Srikanth Garu, who really helped me a lot with my lines, Varma, who brought in a lot of love and joy, then Sindhu, and my diction coach, Saithi, my teacher. So it was a beautiful team that we had, and Rahul. Okay, what is that? You should have arranged some people for me also. Rahul. So Rahul and I share a very interesting connection, the characters Adi and Durga, these two total strangers who meet by, very coincidental events and accident, and how they continue their journey. I think it's like I don't know if I have explored that parameter in any of my film. I don't know how to define it. It's like a very beautiful relationship that the two characters share. It's beyond friendship, and that's what exactly how I feel for Rahul in real life too. I feel him like a brother, and we had very interesting conversations about life, love, spirituality, and a lot of traveling, and a lot of interesting conversations. So I think we're going to continue this journey in life too, hopefully. And thank you, Advaita. Shots are looking brilliant. And thanks to the entire technicians who worked, really, really hard to brought this output. And thank you, AHA. I mean, we shot this at the peak of the pandemic, but not even one day I remember, panicking or being anxious about working during the pandemic. I think AHA gave utmost comfort, security, and everything. I mean, one of the best shooting experiences I've had in my life. So I really want to thank AHA from the bottom of my heart for that. Then People Media Factory. That's all. Yeah. And yeah, thank you for coming in this costume and adding that speciality to the event. Yes, repeat.
Repeat.
Yeah, so thank you to Telugu fans and all the media here. We've really, really put in our heart and soul to this, and I have a very, very good positive feeling about this. And it's going to be released day after tomorrow, and I'm sure that this is going to be a very gripping, interesting watch for all of you. And yeah, thank you for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
So if there's any advice, one advice you would, yeah, since this is a time loop event,
Okay.
not at all.
Well, I would tell myself to do whatever I was scared to do. Just do it. Yeah.
Fantastic. One place or person that you would most visit if you had a chance to time travel? One place or person that you would most visit if you had a chance to time travel? One place or person.
Okay. I think my father, I lost him in 2020, so yeah, that's all I can think about right now when you ask that question.
All right, sorry for that. And now we have a question for Pavan Garu as well. In the past, Pavan Garu, what would it be?
June 5th, because June 6th I got.
I thought it was Feb 20. I thought it was Feb 29, 2020.
Sorry?
I thought it was February 29, 2020. No? Okay. All right. So thank you, Hemant. Neeku kuda emana questions unnaya adagadaniki? All right. So
Firstly, to all the media friends, thank you once again. You come every month, every week to support AHA despite the pandemic. So thank you so much. And this is on behalf of the entire team, AHA and Alu Arvind sir and Ram, both of our promoters. Arvind sir would have loved to come, but we're trying to get him not to come out that often, though he's not happy about it. So this is a special project, so I won't talk about AHA much today. This project is special in so many ways. It symbolizes AHA, so I thought we'll talk a little bit about it. I think Nandini referred to it, but this is like that perfect storm, right? It wasn't easy, but it just came together. And it came together so fast. I thought this show was tricky to begin with, right, Pawan? This is the first show where all episodes are ready, rendered. So here's the first announcement. After a long time, we've done that once. So though the show is supposed to launch at midnight between Thursday and Friday, we are going ahead and launching the show tomorrow at 8 p.m. Thanks to Pawan and his team. We're going to launch it a bit earlier. We've got a lot of queries. People are curious. So doing that. The second thing in this show, I think Nandini referred to, it takes time. You have to get into the loop. You have to get in the head of these two characters. So normally on AHA, all of our web series, we keep the first episode free for people to see it. And after we saw all the 8 episodes, and yes, it's a web series. Everybody was talking about a film, but this is a web series we are very, very proud of. All the 8 episodes are riveting, but it takes some time getting into it. And through all of you, I want to convey this message to all our viewers all across the world, that we want you to watch this. And to make it easier for you to watch, for the first time, we are making our first 3 episodes free, so that you get into the world of Kudi Edmaite, and then I don't think you will get out of the world. That's how confident we are of this product. I remember this is one of the scripts that had the fastest approval. So Ram Vignesh is not here, but thank you Ram and Sameer Bharatram who got it to us earlier. And I think Nandini approved it in one go. Arvind sir said, if Nandini is okay, I'm not going to read it because I'm not good with shows that go back and forth in time. So let's just go with Nandini. This show was never easy, so we had initial hiccups. And then I had always wanted to meet the Lucia guy. I mean, I love all your films, but something about Lucia is very, very special. And I had met Pawan for something else. And then many months later, this just got stuck. It was like this show was itself in a time loop. And then Nandini said, okay, let's make a bigger plan for this. So let's first get a great producer. Vishwa Garu is not here, Vivek Garu, thank you so much. And I'm sorry about the 11 p.m. calls, but when I finish work, that's when I return all my calls. And you guys have been fantastic, Divya, all of you. Great team. I think some of the credit that Amla was giving, it's one of the smoothest shoots we have had, and that's because of you guys. Not a single case, and everything went well. So thank you so much. Then was Pawan. With Pawan, it's always an interesting start, but after that, I haven't seen a more technically perfect show ever. At least in India. At least in India, I can say that, and all of you there, I know that is the core team and the new team from here. So technically, I haven't seen a better show in India in a long, long time, and I don't want to compare ourselves to some of the Hindi shows, but I think we are right up there. And I think that means a lot for all of us at AHA. So I wanted to thank you and the producers for giving us exactly what you promised. And yes, we didn't have 150 days to shoot it. So that's incredible. And you still delivered it before time. So Pawan and team, you guys should be very, very proud. It's a fantastic show. Technically not a flaw. Yes, some people will like it, some will not. But this is what we are here to do. We don't compete with films. I love all the films that we do here and everywhere else. But I think in the world of web series, if we don't take punts like this, and if we don't take the risks of stories like this, then we're not taking content and storytelling forward. And that is why we are so privileged to have somebody like Nandini right inside the heart of AHA, pushing us to do things like this. But it couldn't have happened without both of you. Rahul, I happened to, the first time I went to that set was a day which had two important shots, both are in the trailer. So the first shot is, Amla is in blood, and the number of takes will come to that. And the second shot that day was Rahul taking his bike and banging into the jeep. And Rahul just kept doing it because Pawan didn't have that straight expression, right, that he's happy about. Rahul banged his bike with all the precautions that were being taken, at least 10 times into the jeep, and every time he had to fall. And every time he would get up, and he would have to smile. I was like, what is this guy? Oh yes, and the guy who was calling the shots for the action sequences was Rahul's father, who would not let go, neither is Pawan letting go. And I was like, okay, I should disappear from this set because something's going to happen on this set. So what an incredibly committed guy you are. It is, I think what Pawan said, I fully echo. And then you know what, guys, if we have to take a show like this, a story which is special but different, it needs to travel, right? There's no point us doing the show for ourselves. And that's when Nandini said, you know, what about Amla Paul? I said, I've just seen Adai and I love it, but will she do it? And it was, I mean, whatever conversations they had, but thank you so much, because if you didn't agree to this, I don't think the millions of people would have sampled it. And because of you, they'll all see it. And Amla, thank you so much. To you and your entire team, thank you. So everybody here, just want to tell you that this is a special show, and I would love for you guys to watch it. And it's starting streaming at 8 p.m. tomorrow, not day after. 8 episodes, riveting, and not because it's on AHA. This is one of the best content that we have put forward for the Indian and the international audience. So looking forward to that. And like always, thank you for coming. Team AHA, incredible job. You do the entire AHA pitch. That's why I didn't talk about the numbers today, because you're doing the AHA pitch better than me now.
The numbers are infinite now, so I can't.
Yeah. And last and special announcement. So this year we'll also have AHA Tamil up and running. So that's one new announcement we want to do. And we need your help for that as well, since you are the superstar there. So thank you so much for coming. Stay safe. We still have not really gotten over the pandemic. So stay safe and see you all. And Pawan will continue the Man Ki Baat.
No, I mean, the show had many fathers, but had two mothers whom I forgot to credit. Ma Divya and Ma Shashi Garu, who were the executive producers and to whom all of us have gone and cribbed whenever we didn't get something, and they would at least get half of it, if not full. So thank you to two of you. And to say why Kudi Edamaite is special for AHA is because you can read AHA from left to right and right to left. So,
that's a good one. Thank you. Thank you so much. And before I forget, Vamshi and Nani, thank you for helping us do this every week. And yeah, sorry.
Yeah, I would also like to thank my team, Arman, Divya, Danish, Abhi, who's been a part of this movie and who created the look for Durga. And thank you, Arman, for giving me the mental space and organizing my life so that I could do what I'm best at. So thank you, my team. Thank you so much.